Okay, just for the record, I haven't eaten string cheese correctly since grade school. I think it's a mom thing. Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and I'm so excited, you guys. I finally got to a project I've been wanting to do forever. It's these lockers, and I'm going to show you how I did it and tell you the backstory. So my husband got these free from a job site he was working on, and I was so excited when he drug them home. There was a piece of tape on there with, I think it was like a handwritten price tag for like 65 bucks or something, but apparently nobody bought them. I don't even know, like, I don't know. I don't know where they were from or why we got them. But we did. That happens sometimes. And we brought them home, and they've been out in our shop just holding stupid stuff and not being cute in my house. And so my son turned 15, and I'm like, do you want money for a party, or do you want like a room makeover since it's time for like cool teen room? And he went for the room makeover. I drug them outside, and I used a paint called Fusion Mineral Paint. I've never used it before. I'm usually a chalk paint girl. I love milk paint too, but I like to try new stuff. So Fusion Mineral Paint, I use the color Ash, and I had my son do all the prep work because he was motivated to get his room done. So he had to scrape off stickers and kind of rough up the metal and stuff, and then I painted it outside. And there's two things that I noticed as I was painting. I ended up doing 2 coats. I noticed that one, it had phenomenal coverage, like unreal coverage. I ordered 4 pots of paint thinking I was gonna need to even go buy a few more. And then I ended up using not even 1 entire paint pot. Now, I will say that I ended up not painting the inside of the lockers. I don't know, it doesn't really need it, and he didn't care and I didn't care, so we just didn't do it. But you really get a lot of coverage with Fusion Mineral Paint. And by the way, this is not sponsored, this is just my own experiment. I'm just passing it on to you guys. The other thing I noticed is that it dried really fast, almost too fast. And someone told me later, you probably shouldn't be painting outside because the heat and the wind and stuff was drying it really quickly. But I mean, I painted and I came right back around and did my second coat. I didn't really wait between coats. It was like using spray paint. You know how spray paint can go really fast like that? It was kind of like that. So the other thing that I feel like I want to just go a little farther with this brand and this type of paint. I'm interested in it. I'm interested in learning more and perfecting my skill level with it. So then the next thing was they're heavy and sharp. Like, where do you grab on? Like underneath, it kind of like cuts your hand if you hold from underneath. If you hold the legs, it kind of cuts your hands. So I had to like wear huge gloves, and we had to have like 3 people carry them into the house, and we got them all situated. And then my husband was like, they're gonna scratch the wood floors. So then we had to put cardboard, and like there's like kids down on the floor sliding cardboard in, and we put it in place, and I was like, oh crud. Inside Sarah's going, that looks so bad, there's no way I'm even gonna photograph that in there. Okay. But it was such an ordeal that I didn't say anything for like 3 or 4 days, and then finally last night I was like, so let's talk about the lockers. I'm really sorry, but we need to move them again. So we all got in our roles, and we all carried it out to the porch, and I set it up here so we could film and talk about it. And I like it better out here. And by the way, I don't even want to give these to my son anymore because I love them that much. I told him that I'm keeping them. I'm going to do cute things with them, and he can do something else. And he was like, no way. So I might get my way when he moves out, you know, in like 3 or 4 years. So anyways, you can be hoping for the best in that department for me. Oh, my dog's here. She doesn't know what we're doing. Alright, hey you guys, thanks for stopping by. And hopefully you got a new paint you want to try. And, oh yes, the other thing, always say yes to free lockers. That's the other moral of the story here. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you want to give it a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. And I will see you soon.